Welcome to Integrazo. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Gravity Form with Freshsales using the Integrazo plugin. Form submissions will be automatically sent to Freshsales as leads. No coding required. Let's get started. The plugin download link is available in the description below. Download the plugin and install it on your WordPress website. Once the plugin is activated, you'll see a Freshsales menu in your WordPress dashboard, as shown in this video. First, let's connect our Freshsales account. Click the Add Account button and complete the authorization process. First, enter account name for your Freshsales account connection. In the instance URL field, enter your Freshsales account URL. If you're unsure where to find your instance URL, click the Help icon next to the field. The tooltip will guide you through the process of locating your Freshsales account URL. Once you've found it, simply copy and paste the URL into this field. Next, enter your Freshsales API key. If you need help finding it, click the Help icon next to the field and follow the instructions provided. Then, copy your API key and paste it into the API key field. After entering the account information, click Authenticate to proceed. Our Freshsales account has been connected successfully. The account is now available in the list. Next, click on the Setup tab to begin creating the integration. Here, we'll create a new integration. Click on the Add Integration button to continue. First, provide a name for your integration. Next, select your Gravity form from the Form drop-down. Then, choose the connected Freshsales account. Finally, choose the module from the drop-down. The records will be created in the selected module whenever a form is submitted. For this tutorial, I'm choosing the Leads module. After making your selections, proceed to the next step. Now the field mapping area will open. On the left side, the form fields will appear, and on the right side, the Freshsales fields will appear. Here, simply map the fields. If you need to map additional fields, click on the plus icon to add a new mapping row. Then, select a form field from the left side and choose the corresponding Freshsales field from the right side drop-down. Continue mapping all the required fields to ensure the data is synced correctly to Freshsales. Next, choose an action for CRM records. Select either Always Add as a new record to create a new lead for every submission, or choose Add if record is not existing, or Update if it already exists to avoid duplicate records. Once you've selected the required option, click Save Mapping. The integration has been saved successfully and is now active. Your Gravity Forms submissions will be automatically synced to Freshsales according to the configured field mappings. Here, all your integrations will be listed. You can manage each integration using the available options. Use the toggle button to enable or disable the integration, or use the Edit and Delete actions to make changes when needed. Next, click on the Logs tab at the top. Here, all the error logs are listed. You can review failed records and resync them whenever needed. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to check the plugin link in the description.